products here. You can see that used for digital marketing. Here you can see here you can see easily create account, login, and after that you can see look like a interface here. Here you can see that document prompt real time. Keep full history and files. Here you can start you can use for the after payment and you get lots of feature in paid tool. You can see that easily you can import a chat gpti. You can see that now you also explore a social media account and more know about Magai AI tool. Now you understand